What's good, fellas? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to save your beats on flstudiomobile. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for 300 subscribers. It means a lot. Thank you. Let's grow together. The importance of this video, I realize that many of y'all just know how to make beats, but do you know how to save them so that you can distribute them to music distributors? So without wasting time, let's get straight to the video. So guys, as you heard, the beat is drill, tap, beat, hip hop, type, trap. So I play the beat first so that y'all can listen to what I'm about to work on. So the beat is fire, you can tell. The only thing left is to add some effects, but I made it for only this tutorial purposes. So now let's try to save it and show you how to save it. So when it comes to saving the beat, just come this side. First thing, you can save an FML, which is a file that you can share with your friends so that you can see what you're cooking up. This is a zip file. It's a zip file that you can come back later and check it again. MIDI sequence is kind of like a loop, audio wave, lossless FLAC audio, and then compressed MP3. This one is the one that we hear, you know that like every day. So this side you must come and mix. If you're lazy, they can mix, the dog can mix for you, or you can come and trim it for silence, or you can make selections, full song, leave a reminder. You can cut the reminder, and the other thing is the split mixer track, where you can split all this sound into each individual sound, where you can play one by one instead of the whole beat. So now let me try to save it, and you will see what I was trying to say. As you can see that it's taking time to save. I'm thinking of cutting it short so that you can save time. Perfect. Right now the base done saving. So now let's play all of them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. See you on the next video. If you got any video that you would like me to make for you, I don't mind. You can use me.